Kind wishes from AKRAMANS Emotional Educational Academy. Let us know about Pope Francis and his last words from hospital. Pope Francis, born Jorge Mario Bergoglio on December 17, 1936, in Buenos Aires, Argentina, was the 266th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church. He was the first Pope from the Americas, the first non-European Pope since the 8th century, and the first Jesuit priest to hold the office. Early life and career. Born to Italian immigrant parents, his father was a railway worker, and his mother was a homemaker. He grew up in a working-class neighborhood and studied in public schools. He obtained a technical certification as a chemist in high school. He entered the novitiate of the Society of Jesus in 1958 and completed his studies in the humanities in Chile. Squared. Papal career. Elected as Pope on March 13, 2013, after the resignation of Pope Benedict XVI. Chose the papal name Francis in honor of Saint Francis of Assisi, reflecting his desire for a poor church that serves the poor. Known for his humility, emphasis on God's mercy, and commitment to interreligious dialogue. Published several books and encyclicals, including Lumen Fide and Evangelii Gaudium. Notable actions and views. Advocated for the poor and marginalized, emphasizing the importance of serving those in need. Reduced formalities in the papacy, opting for a more humble and approachable style. Cubed to the power of 4. Later life and death. Pope Francis passed away on Easter Monday, April 21, 2025, at the age of 88, in the Vatican City. Pope Francis wrote this in the hospital. The walls of hospitals have heard more honest prayers than churches. They have witnessed far more sincere kisses than those in airports. It is in hospitals that you see a homophobe being saved by a gay doctor. A privileged doctor saving the life of a beggar. In intensive care, you see a Jew taking care of a racist. A police officer and a prisoner in the same room receiving the same care. A wealthy patient waiting for a liver transplant, ready to receive the organ from a poor donor. It is in these moments, when the hospital touches the wounds of people, that different worlds intersect according to a divine design. And in this communion of destinies, we realize that alone, we are nothing. The absolute truth of people, most of the time, only reveals itself in moments of pain or in the real threat of an irreversible loss. A hospital is a place where human beings remove their masks and show themselves as they truly are, in their purest essence. This life will pass quickly, so do not waste it fighting with people. Do not criticize your body too much. Do not complain excessively. Do not lose sleep over bills. Make sure to hug your loved ones. Do not worry too much about keeping the house spotless. Material goods must be earned by each person. Do not dedicate yourself to accumulating an inheritance. You are waiting for too much. Christmas, Friday, next year, when you have money, when love arrives, when everything is perfect. Listen, perfection does not exist. A human being cannot attain it because we are simply not made to be fulfilled here. Here, we are given an opportunity to learn. So, make the most of this trial of life, and do it now. Respect yourself, respect others. Walk your own path, and let go of the path others have chosen for you. Respect. Do not comment, do not judge, do not interfere. Love more, forgive more, embrace more, live more intensely. And leave the rest in the hands of the Creator. Pope Francis. Thank you. See again in next video. Subscribe and share.